Did you ever dream of flying through the air on Santa's sleigh? Well, this year you can. We're about to go on a real plane.
After a quick stop in Santa's hangar, his trusty elf leads you out to Santa's airplane.
And now we are here with Santa. Thank you so much for doing this, Santa. So what made you take us up in the airplane today?
No problem. You know, we just wanted to do something nice for the food bank and the people of Ottawa and just spread some of that Christmas cheer before the big night on Christmas Eve.
Yeah, I'm surprised you made time in your schedule for this. This is amazing. Thanks so much.
No problem.
Okay, cool. Ready to get in the air?
Let's go.
Awesome.
And just like that, after Santa confirmed that we weren't on the naughty list, it was time to get in the air.
Here we go. This is our first flight together. I've been hearing about this all over social media, and I mean, the opportunity to fly with Santa before Christmas, I mean, we have to. Cool. Let's enjoy the flight.
As soon as you get in the air, you take in how special this is. It really feels like your own bird's eye ride in Santa's sleigh, with the big man himself right beside you. The ride around Canada's capital gives you beautiful views of Parliament, downtown Ottawa, and the rivers and waterfalls. But the best part is knowing Santa is right beside you. You get a full 15-minute ride in the air with Santa, but it goes by pretty quick. So while you're up there, make sure to get your selfie with Santa. After that, it's time to head back to the airport, knowing you've had some incredible Christmas memories.
And one of my favorite things about this initiative is not only do you get to have an amazing time with the Mr. Claus himself, but all the proceeds from this, only $38, it all goes to the Ottawa Food Bank. So an amazing cause as well. Well, we just finished up our flight, and what a better way to start Christmas. I'm so much in the mood now, and now Santa is ready to see a couple more boys and girls and deliver presents to you in just a few days.
Merry Christmas.
That was just so much fun to get some time in the air with Santa, and if you live in the Ottawa area too, you can do this. He's doing it all the way even past Christmas. If you're new to my channel, I post weekly videos from my adventures all around the world, and upcoming soon is going to be the Arctic series in Sweden as well as Canada. And if you've made it this far in the video, thanks very much. Be sure to leave a like because that helps me so much.